So I decided, I just finished all my Christmas wrapping. My husband is still over there watching the football game. So I'm like, you know what? I have a whole bunch of these that my mother was attempting to make something with and never really happened. So I found some tissue paper and some Mod Podge and some diamond dust, and I thought I had glassy accent in here. There might be somewhere else. And some of these, and I got at Michael's. Now I'm gonna see if I can make a cute little decoupage Christmas ball. So let's see where this takes me. So I started off by cutting a square, possibly too big of a square, but I will cut another square into this bigger square and see if I could drape it over most of the ball. So I took some little pieces and, jagged pieces, and I have Mod Podge all over me. And I first put a layer of Mod Podge, and then I placed these on, and then a second layer. And next, I'm going to put my diamond dust and then put it out to dry. So here we have it, and I'm going to put it outside to dry, and then I'll do my next step. And now I'm going to be cutting some little pieces from this one, and I will decoupage my other ball. I found these in my stash. I have a whole bunch of them. I bought them from Wish a long time ago. So I think I'm going to go with like a cupcake kind of theme, and I found some of this type of extra fine glitter. And I have my balls here drying, and then we're gonna see what to do next. So I did my second coat of glossy accent. My first coat was the Mod Podge, and then I did another layer of some diamond dust, and now I'm gonna let them dry, and I will add a little white ribbon, some pink flowers on the top, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I might put a little bead dangle, not quite sure. This is how I decided to make them with the hook. So there is one. Here's another one. You really can't, I wish you guys could see how pretty they really do look, because they glisten with all the diamond dust and the glossy accent. So decoupage, then with the tissue. After that, I did diamond dust, then glossy accent, more diamond dust, and then I put them in these little silver, cupcake holders. And I made a little bow and put one of those little rosettes. These are so cute, I can't even. All right, now I'm going to show my mom how to make these so she can make some because she's been wanting to. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.